Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote start in the 2025 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an EX 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive in glacial white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, this is the key fob for the 25 Sorento, and you're going to see on the, I call it the back of it here, that's your button for your remote starter. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and press your lock button first. Within 4 seconds, you're going to press and hold that hold button firmly, and then you'll see the lights will flash, and now the vehicle has started. It will run up to 10 minutes before it turns itself off, just in case you don't come out to it, and you can always cancel that remote start again just by pressing the hold button, and it will turn it off. When you go to enter the car, you can hit unlock on the key fob, or you can press the black button on the outside of the door here. And then once you're inside the car, all you have to do is get in, close your driver's door. The car knows the key fob is in here. All the rest of the electronics turned on, and now everything is ready to go. Now I did preset the climate controls at the bottom there. I'd set it for as if it was cold outside to use your remote start. So we'll remember what you last set the climate controls to. If you do your remote start versus the Kia Connect app, that's where you can go in and preset what temperature you want directly from the app when you go to do the remote start that way instead of using the key fob to do it. Now, I just wanted to point out, I'm going to step outside, that when we go and do the start, I'm going to do it again. Now, if you happen to do the remote start, let's say it's been running for a few minutes, and then you come out and you unlock the car with the key fob, and then you open up like a back door, press it twice, 2 presses on, you go to open up a back door and you're dealing with kids or luggage or anything like that, but you haven't fully turned on the rest of the car yet. After about 20 to 30 seconds, the car will shut itself off just for security's sake. So if you didn't want it to shut off after you did your remote start, but you're still busy in the back, all you need to do is have the key fob on you. Just go in, and I just reach in, touch the brake pedal, and then everything else is going to turn on. And now you can go back and do whatever it is that you need to do, not worrying about if the vehicle is going to turn itself off or not. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.